Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a use up recipe. I'm using bolognese sauce, potatoes, cheese, sour cream, jalapenos. It's going to be delicious. It's going to feed the whole family. Going to give them 3 half potatoes each. It's quite filling, really cheap to make. It's a use up meal if you're sick of spaghetti bolognese. Let's get cracking and I'll show you how to make it. Now I'm starting off with 6 potatoes, which I've put into the microwave. I've cooked them till they're nice and soft. I've just cut them in half and put them onto my baking tray. And the recipe I'm showing you here is for 4 people. That's going to be 3 half potatoes each. If you want more, then you just add. If you've got plenty of bolognese sauce, plenty of cheese, go for it. I'm going to brush the potatoes with some olive oil or vegetable oil or any oil that you have on hand. Even if you've got that spray can, you can just spray them on. Then I'm going to put them into the air fryer. They're going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. I just want them nice and crunchy, golden brown on the top. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can get the same result with your standard oven. And now that the potatoes are nice and soft, it's time to top them with the bolognese sauce and cheese. Pop them back into the air fryer for about 10 minutes until they're golden brown. Now I've finished mine off with a little bit of sour cream, some jalapeno, and just a splash of chili powder, just to give that a little bit of a heat. You can choose to do this if you wish, or add your own toppings. Well, thanks again guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.